Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox ASRock B450M-HDV R4.0 Ryzen 5000 desktop ready. If you can see, the manufacturing date of this is 2025 May. So I think it should be like BIOS compatible for the newer CPUs like 3600G, 3400G. So let's get to the unboxing. So first we have two SATA cables. One is L-shape and one is normal straight. इसको रखेंगे outside में. And we have one user manual. Everything is written here. And we have one driver CD. और आपके पीसी में ड्राइवर का CD ड्राइव है तो आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. वैसे अगर कोशिश करें तो आप इसकी वेबसाइट से इंस्टॉल ज़्यादा सही रहेगा. आप इससे इंस्टॉल ना ही करो तो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि ये बहुत पुरानी CD रहती है, बहुत ही ओल्ड ड्राइवर आते हैं इसके अंदर. एक हमारे पास IO शील्ड है. एंड वी हैव वन SSD screw, NVMe M.2 SSD screw. And this is our motherboard. First, discharge yourself. As you can see, I'm doing on a pen table. Don't do it on a metal or fabric table. Otherwise, you might short the component of motherboard. As you can see, this comes with a little pad. Keep it and put it down. So let's record it. So the bigger stuffs. As you can see, we have our CPU socket, our PCIe Gen3 socket, our two RAM slots. Max support is 64 GB side me, and we have all the here slots. In fact, we have this one VGA, whatever this is, very old, I don't know. PS2, USB 2.0, USB 3.1 Gen 1, I think, Ethernet, and this is audio, I think. Yes, this is audio port. This is our CPU fan. This is our CPU fan connector, and this is our USB. This is our USB 3 and this is our USB 2. So this is our front panel connector. I forgot. This is our front panel and extra strips. And this is our whatever, I don't know. This is our DPMS. This is our fans. This is our HD audio. This is our CPU connector. This is our main motherboard connector. This is our CMOS battery. If you want to install AMD stock cooler, you have to remove these brackets. Otherwise, it won't work. Let's flip this. There is nothing much on the back side. This is pure clean. There is little bit this marking, so be careful, otherwise it will cut your hand. So that's why it's recommended to keep this on. As you can see, the motherboard looks very good, very shiny, very aesthetic, I think, for the price. So as additional unboxing, we have this RAM. We are going to build a PC around $200 budget, new PC. This is our 16 GB RAM. Okay, we are going to test if this fits in or not. So where is the clip? Is this the clip? To install the RAM, do this and align this. As you can see, this doesn't align well. Then we are gonna this. good. It needs more power than it looks. I don't think I should be pushing this in. Maybe yeah, this is now fixed in. Oh, this is all cars is both removable? No. Only one side is movable, I think. Yes, only one side. So now fix. Let's give it a big dust. Don't do this side, this is for expert people like me. A little jiggle. Don't worry, if you want to remove this RAM, just do this and you should be able to pull out your RAM. Not pretty easily cause this is a tight on this green RAM. As we can see, no damage to motherboard. Then let's keep it back. When we build our PC, then we will use this motherboard.